In this video, I'm going to show you how I clean live Dungeness crabs at home. These guys are larger than other crabs and they weigh about 2 pounds each. Just leave them under running hot water in your kitchen sink for a couple of minutes. Break off this flap and pull the top shell off. These are the gills, just discard them. Scrape off the furry parts with a butter knife. Clean the insides under running cold water. Sprinkle some salt and rinse the crab under cold water for 2 to 3 times. Always clean seafood with salt or distilled white vinegar. Since the crabs are bottom feeders, I clean them thoroughly. Finally, clean the sink with salt and soap. Distilled white vinegar will work too, so your kitchen won't smell like a fish market. I hope this video is helpful to you. See you again soon. Bye-bye.